Beginning to think I might need a wifey. Dating all of these women is getting pricey. The whole situation is getting dicey, but them bumping into each other excites me. Common sense tells me to do the right thing, but my ignorance tells me I'm doing it. I'm pretty stick glued to the game, doing it. To be removed, wanna quit, but I'm too legit, too slick to give up the way I'm living, man. Got cash long as people wanna sniff a gram. Ain't changed, ain't lies if I'm different, man. People say any different, I couldn't give a damn. Let them hate, say I switched the flow. Course I switched the flow. Old shit is old. Out with the old, in with the new shit. For my haters at home, wishing they could do this. Think you're big, I don't think you're big enough, bitch. I'm struggling to pick a brush to smear your blood with. I don't think I'm a tug, you little fuckwits. It's fun when they think I'm a punk, then get a bus lit. No miming, just rhyming, I'm hot prof and this is my spot till I'm in a pine box. A quiet dosh, I'd be lying if I said my lines off, but it ain't now licking my shots. Knee deep in slush, while you're still beating off, silly. Billy's a millie, Lily just took me to us. Have I got crabs or am I just itching my crotch in my business, but your intern's in it, I'm the boss. Afternoon, I'm just passing through. On stage after me, that's a path for you. How do you make something so easy look so hard to do?